Wow, yeah, it's pretty bad down here. Hey, what's up, everyone? It is March 15th, 2026. Here in Michigan, northern Michigan, we are in the middle of a massive snowstorm. I'm going to overlay some maps of this absurd snowfall ice forecast that they have going on right now. I've never seen a map that looks like it. They are predicting some really just outrageous weather depending on where this low pressure system ends up setting, and at this point it is looking like we are definitely in for a lot of ice. This morning, this is what I just saw on the Weather Channel app. They're expecting about another 8 inches of snow this morning. Ice is expected to start this afternoon. About an inch of ice. And then they're saying locally higher amounts. So we're talking severe damage to our trees again. I'll put a link in the description and up here. This is what we were dealing with before. Check that out. This is the ice storm from last year. Make sure to watch that video and you'll see what we had to deal with last time. Significant power outages, trees and limbs down. Gosh, ooh, that wind. So we're also expecting like 30 plus mile an hour wind gusts this afternoon, if not higher. They were saying up to 50 miles an hour in some places. So we could be talking about blizzard conditions. Yesterday we spent the day getting prepared, groceries, gas. We had just gotten a storm the day before. Nick had plowed that and he finished doing a little cleanup of the driveway of that little bit of snow that we had gotten the night before. We had some ice a few days ago as well. So it's just like nonstop. So we've got a lot of things in store today just for keeping up on everything. So stay tuned and see what we've got going on today. A little shoveling to do before we do anything else. Okay, let's try to shovel off the top here. Wow. Gotta keep up with this because if we don't, the whole thing will probably collapse. It is not meant for carrying much weight. So this is something that I have to do pretty frequently in the wintertime. Just not quite as frequently as when we get a massive snowstorm. That's okay. Right now the snow is light and powdery, so it's not too bad to work with. That's all going to change here this afternoon when we start getting the mix turning to rain. I was just looking at a Weather Channel update and it's now saying 7 inches of snow and 1.08 I think it's at, or something of ice. So the ice accumulations just keep going up. All you can do is laugh at this point because like what can you do? You just gotta keep up on it. And we're prepared. I just really don't want to see the power go out, even though we have a generator and we'll be fine. It just costs a lot of gas. And I don't want to see massive amounts of damage to our trees again, because honestly I think so many of them are going to die off from, although they have all this limb and trunk damage, I think a lot of them are going to get diseases and pests and stuff, just based on what some people with more knowledge than me have said. I don't know if much of our forest is going to be the same ever again. And so it's just really sad to think that they might have even more damage now, even less ability to recuperate. Wow. I just can't even believe it. The amount of snow we're getting right now. One of the weather forecasts we were listening to last night, the guy said 1 to 3 inches an hour in some places. I don't know if, I've rarely seen 3 inches an hour. This might be it. Oh, my glasses are so fogged up. Can't see now. My husband tried to convince me to get goggles. I didn't think I would need anything like that. But this might be the few days this winter that I would really like a pair. Okay, let's go see these chickies. Guten Morgen, chickens. Hello. Oh, you knocked your food over? You guys riding it out in here all right? Yeah. Oh, you guys don't have no food anyway. Let's fill it up. Let's fill her up. Alright, I'm gonna open this door. But I don't think it's that great out there. Go for it, chickens. Go for it. Go out there, get a little fresh air. Some of the straw away from the door so I can close it. You guys keep kicking it over here, and then I can't close the stinking door. Yeah. Ooh, see? Got a lot of snow wedged up in here. And straw and all that. Yeah, I know. Huh. Anyway, that's no good. Can't close the door. The door's all goofed up. See if I can pick some of that straw out. I am sweating to death. Huh. See if we can get her to shut now. I don't understand. Huh. Slam her. Stinking door. Fudge. I want it closed. It's a little better, I guess. Oh man. Alrighty. Here we go. It is nasty. Wow. That is nasty. Jeez. Stinking blizzard. Alright. You want to do the roof, you said?
That's what I'm going to work on.
Okay, then I'll work on shoveling around the house.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh,
okay.
yeah.
Okay. So you might be wondering, why are we shoveling snow up around our house? Well, that's a great question. So the reason is that we are in a mobile home, and the skirting, which is the part that covers around the bottom, that's not insulated. So we are using the snow like an exterior insulation, and that's going to keep all of the massive winds that we're getting out, and that is going to help keep, pipes from freezing, and just in general keep us warmer, especially being an older mobile home. Those are not well insulated to begin with, so this is just a little extra something to keep us cozy and make sure that our pipes don't freeze. This is definitely, whoa, these are those wind gusts. Oh goodness, oh my. These are the wind gusts and the blizzard conditions. Oh my gosh. Wow. Is that 3 inches an hour they're talking about too? Holy smokes. Holy smokes. Hi, Chihuahua. Oh, my back is killing me. My lower back is killing me. Golly. Hey, babe. Might as well forget about this gate being able to open, huh?
Yeah, I'm not worried about it.
Yeah. Alright. There's like another 6 inches of snow on the porch.
Oh, yeah.
Unreal, these gusts have been crazy, huh?
It's crazy. Just don't take it regular.
Right. Oh, goodness. I'd say I was going to sleep good tonight, but I had insomnia, so probably not. Okay, sneak through the apple tree, I guess, is the way. Through to the backyard now. I'm just overheating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can't wear much if you're doing
I know.
You're right.
Yeah.
Overheat.
But it's like you want to be dressed for going out in a freaking blizzard.
Right.
Like I want pants on, but dang, it's hot.
Yeah. Need some lighter duty.
I do need some lighter duty something.
Like these snow pants.
Yeah.
I can still feel a little bit of cool through them, which
Huh.
is great. But I'm warm, you know.
I mean, these.
The jacket's a bit much.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm good.
Okay.
Thanks for checking.
You're welcome.
Yeah, that's a lot better now.
Yeah.
That's a lot of snow up there.
I thought.
Need a hand?
No. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh my goodness. Wow. Phew. I think I gotta go and have some electrolytes here in a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if we're gonna take a break right now.
Great news, you guys. They are no longer forecasting any ice. The low pressure system moved in a different direction. Unfortunately, there are still quite a lot of people that are expecting ice, and they're going to get some really nasty conditions. So definitely thinking about you guys. If you are in that area or you're going through this snowstorm, let me know where you guys are from and what it was like for you. For tonight, though, we're just going to hunker down, and I'm going to keep baking some cookies and just get cozy. Whoa! It's a blizzard! Gosh. Wow! Take this over the ice storm they thought was gonna happen, though. Woo! Alright guys, thanks for sticking around with us. It looks like day number 2 is just more of the same. Lots of moving snow around. So rather than show you all of that again, how about I show you some side-by-side footage of before the storm and then partway through the storm when we were able to get out and it was just starting to get a little bit rainy. So you'll certainly see the difference with how clear the roads were and the drifting that we got in some other areas. Definitely wasn't as bad though as we were initially thinking. I'm so happy about that. And I've tried to do this side by side as best as I could. I'm not the best, and of course we're going different speeds than we were when the roads were dry as opposed to when they're covered in snow as well. So you'll get the idea. If you enjoyed this, thanks for watching. Hit that like button and be sure to subscribe. Road is starting to close in here. bouncy.
Right. Nasty through here.
Yeah, it looks very drifted.
Snowmobile path.
Mm-hmm. Wow, yeah, it's pretty bad down here.